Welcome back to another video. So regarding Tripo 3D Generative AI, I have over here a case study. The case study will be the statue of Napoleon. So you will also find a 3D model in the video description. This is from Artec 3D. We see this has been scanned with Artec EVA, a 3D structure light scanner. Now, I extracted some screenshots from this and I added them within Tripo. And I have noticed that if I align the image, I had the following output. So we see over here, we have the front, left, the back, and the right view. And this is the output. And we see that the main problem is especially regarding the face of the statue. We see it over here. Since this used the following image, it didn't manage to recreate the face. But over here I added perspective view. So if you are not familiar with Tripo, when you go for a multi-image, you can input the front view, which we see is mandatory for this. And afterwards you can add the left, right, and back view. Now the case study images that I added are the following. So we see it over here. This is the left view. This will be the front. And we see over here, I think that this is the problem why Tripo struggled to recreate the face of Napoleon over here, because the horse will just overlap that within the front view. This is the right view and this will be the back view. And now within the second model I added this as the front, and for the other views I just added perspective views. And as we can see, this model is a lot better. So we see the face of that well defined, while over here that is just overlapped. Now I moved both 3D scans, so 3D generative close to the 3D scan over here in Blender, and we see the original 3D scan will be this one. I named it Artec 3D scan, and we see the details. So over here we have some fine details that the generative AI in this model, it tried to recreate something over here, as we can see, but it had problems with the face over here. But overall for the horse, we see that the generative AI is quite close to the reference. We see this one over here has more details than the one in the middle. Also regarding the position of the horse legs, we see the following position. So again, really close to the reference. But for small details, we see that those lack. If I'm going to take a look at the back, we're going to see the code over here. So within the 3D scan, it was like this. Over here, it added a little bit of material, and this one will look the following. Now, overall, I'm still impressed by this, but I find it really weird that if you're not going to follow the standard input for Tripo, as you can see over here for the multi-image, keep in mind that maybe you will receive some better results if you are not going to add the front, left, and right and back view in this case. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what is, let's say, the best input that you receive if you are using this software, because I wasn't expecting it to work like this. So by adding those perspective view to have overall a better result than adding those that are required over there. Okay, so I will position a similar video regarding generative 3D on the left. I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.